Hey guys, got started a little late today. It's almost noon and I took a little walk. I'm in Kushiro. The rain isn't here, but what is here is a festival. I have no idea what it's for or what they're celebrating. But they're gonna do some fireworks later at 7 p.m. and people are already finding their spot out by the waterfront. And I really think it's gonna rain later, so I hope they brought their rain jackets. Well, I just checked the forecast. No typhoon. I mean, not even a little bit of rain today in the afternoon. And then after that, like beautiful weather. Like partly cloudy, sun. How am I supposed to plan when Mother Nature keeps changing her tune? I already booked like 2 more nights at this hotel thinking I'm gonna hunker down. I also thought that I was gonna capture some amazing typhoon footage. I got nothing now. I can edit though, and I can catch up, and maybe I can explore Kushiro a little bit. But geez Louise, no, nothing. Funny. Alright guys, I have been doing some editing. I got the next vlog published and up, but I'm still 3 behind. But I stacked them all together, and tomorrow I think I can just plug away the whole day. The festival's going. I'm gonna go back out there and try and gather a little bit of what that vibe is like, and try and figure out what the festival is for. I can't quite figure out. Anyways, before I leave my hotel room, I want to talk to you a little bit about that building behind me. That's another hotel. And that floor are the onsen floors for the hotel. And on that floor, I get to see a bunch of naked dudes, and on that floor, I get to see a bunch of naked women walking around, going in there, washing themselves. It is a different culture, man. It is a different culture. Funny thing is that our hotel has one onsen. It's on the 13th floor, but we're above all of the views of these places. But these ones are below, so we get to see in them. I'm not sure how accurate the guy was, but at the hotel, I asked him what this festival was about, and he said, no reason. Just a festival. Just a party. I said, just a day? He said, just a day. This is a cool little place in the city. It's like a, they say it's like a garden, but they got some really nice, it's like a beautiful atrium with trees and some chairs. You can come here and just read and relax, and it smells real nice. Outdoor barbecue. Tasty. I'm pretty sure that the fireworks are going off of that barge right there. So everybody here is trying to get a seat. Closest seat in the house for the barge. 4th of July at my home in Detroit is always a big firework event. We shoot them off in the river in between Windsor, which is in Canada, and Detroit on the other side of the river. Just one of the best fireworks displays. Really awesome. Well, this isn't a tsunami of rain and wind. This is a tsunami of Japanese people, which is actually something I was desperately desiring. I love forests of trees, but swap those trees out with interesting people, that's a good thing too. Beer?
It's beer.
Okay.
Okay, so this is like the typical beer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this one is like a lemon taste one.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is Weizen. Do you know Weizen?
Weizen.
Yeah,
Weizen. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, my English is poor.
You have the best English I've met so far.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
So, このお祭りの趣旨を教えてほしい。
What's special about today?
どんな趣旨で？どんどんパクパク。Ah, so in Japanese, the どんどんパクパク means it's like a eat a lot, like a yummy, like
okay.
that. Yeah. It means donpaku.
Donpaku.
Yeah.
So it's Donpaku Festival.
So yeah, Donpaku Festival means we should eat and enjoy the food and enjoy the beer, something like that.
Okay. Yeah, one.
バイゼンを引いたやつ1本お願いします。
Cool. Did you get that? I was flailing the camera around trying to get some answers. Apparently it's just a food festival and a drink festival. Eat, drink. That works for me. Hi. A smile is such a universal relief valve for tension. If anybody has like a dour face on, or even they're a little too curious, like they don't know what's going on, you just have to give them a big smile and they instantly shift. I mean, it's almost 100% reliable. YouTuber. All right. Notice anything different? I just went through a wardrobe change. My hotel is super close to the festival here, and so I went a little warmer. It's getting a little chilly out here. Another thing that I did is I grabbed a bunch of my little Jayoe business cards because I was walking through that group and I heard a couple of people being like, YouTuber? And anybody that says that, I really should have a card in hand and be like, yeah, check it out. So, always be prepared, or be close enough to become prepared very quickly. All right, fireworks are starting soon. Oh. Okay, I know you guys, and I know you're gonna say you should have flown the drone over the fireworks, but to be honest, I'm not that interested in the fireworks. I am more interested in the people and the reactions of the people before and after the fireworks, because I have a suspicion, I have a suspicion that after the fireworks, things are gonna get a little bit more lively. So, Jayoe. Thank you so much. They have a few different types of beer at that booth. So I'm going to there and refilling with a different beer every time. First one was pretty good. It's so funny. Like, it's not until I surround myself with so many like Japanese or Chinese or Asians in general that I realize how tall I am. Everybody here is looking for a spot to see the fireworks. Pretty much anywhere I go is a good spot for the fireworks, because I'm a good neck and head above 90% of the people here. It's good to be told.
不思議不思議ね、火なのにそう水の中で消えないのかなって一瞬思うんですけれども、三尺玉が打ち上がります。はい、突破が語れないということですね。
If you haven't traveled abroad, particularly to Asia, the feeling I have here right now is hard to understand. Think about being in a group of 3,000 plus people and not one of them looks like you. And not like a guy or a tall guy, but like Asian and Western, you know what I mean? I've gotten used to it, but every so often I'm reminded, you know, when I'm standing amongst a group of people and I'm head and shoulders above people, or I don't look a thing like the people that are around me, all of the people. It's quite a feeling. It's sobering. I think the fireworks are starting.
本日はようこそお越しいただきました。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Apropos that I'm here watching fireworks and recording people smiling and enjoying life, and there's people in Houston and Texas that are going through some rough times. So I think today's vlog is just going to be about showing some happy people on the other side of the world enjoying life, letting those people that are having a tough time know that just take some time. You'll get through it. There's smiles on the other side. So, fireworks are going. It's 7:15, but at 7:40, this thing is going off. That's actually it's a firework. All right, the big one's going off in about 5 minutes. Less than. I've got to capture that one. Even if I don't get any of the other fireworks, I gotta get the big dog. So, let's find a spot. Somewhat disappointing. You know, in my mind, I imagined a apocalyptic scene of chaos and whatnot, but it was a shockwave. It was cool. Hi.
Hi.
Well, we saw some smiles. That was the important part. It's kind of funny that something that mimics gunfire and bombs can bring people such joy. I just realized that. I'm like, wow, it sounds like a war zone. And I'm like, but everybody's having a good time. grand finale. That's what this is. Oh, I think it's ended now. I think it's officially over. Now all that's left to do is drink and eat. Not a bad deal. A little bit of time makes all the difference, right? I mean, look at this field behind me. It was full of people, like stacked like grass. And now all there is literal grass. Things can change real quick, huh? Just takes a moment.